Number 4, draining dampness, Yi Ren.
Yi Ren is good for the resolution of dampness, and it also strengthens the spleen, just like Fu Ling. Yi Ren.
Most important thing to remember is that it clears heat and expels pus. And this is going to help you deal with pustulated carbuncles as well as lung or intestinal abscesses. So this is the first one that we're talking about that does that. And it's really important to remember. That's extremely number 1, remember.
It also treats painful urinary dribbling with damp warmth, which is Lynn syndrome. And it enters the spleen, lungs, and kidneys. So it enters the lungs, so it treats abscesses in the lungs, right?
We're going to clear damp
pus.
heat with this one as well.
And intestinal abscesses and painful obstruction.
Now,
Right?
painful obstruction is very similar to what herbs that dispel wind dampness can do. Painful obstruction like B syndrome, arthritis, all that kind of stuff. But really important, clearing heat and expelling pus. It's cold. It's a cold herb. So, and you know, sweet herbs also relieve pain. So we're eliminating painful obstruction. Edema, diarrhea, painful urinary dribbling, and damp warmth.
You also want to remember that you can have large doses of Yi Ren because it's
pretty safe.
It's safe and it works gradually. You can even eat it like a food, I believe.
I think you can replace rice with Yi Ren if you need to, especially, you know, if you're having rice because you have diarrhea or something like that. Yi Ren will help to relieve some of the heat and dampness in your body. Read the toxicity, read about preparation in your Materia Medica, or find out from your TCM practitioner.
Now, Yi Ren also leaches out dampness from the bones and the muscles and the sinews, and that's why it treats painful obstruction. And it expels pus to treat sores. So
it's important that you know Yi Ren and Fu Ling both strengthen the spleen.
Yes,
we did talk about that.
Okay, I think that's all about that one.
Number 5. Next video.